Hello world! Welcome back to the Intro to Python series. In this video, we will be covering identity operators in Python 3. Identity operators compare the memory addresses of two objects rather than comparing their values. Python has two identity operators, is and is not. The is operator returns true if the operands on either side of the operator point to the same object in memory and returns false otherwise. Let's begin by assigning A to the string almonds. Now let's compare the data type of A to the string data type, which can be represented by str. We can do this by using the type function, which returns the data type of a variable or value. Notice it returns true because the data type of A points to the string data type in memory, and the str type is represented the same way in memory. We can further confirm that the memory addresses are the same for both objects by looking at their unique identifiers via the id function. Passing an object into the id function gives us a unique identifier for that object. If two objects have the same unique identifier, we know they point to the same address in memory. Let's go ahead and print the IDs for our two operands. As we can see, the identifiers are the same. Thus, our operands point to the same object in memory, proving that our operator is doing what it's supposed to. Now let's compare our almonds data type to a number type. We now see that the return value is false because the operands do not point to the same object in memory anymore. That is because the string type exists in a different location in memory than the number type. Now let's look at the is not operator. This is the exact opposite of the is operator, as it returns false if operands on either side of the operator point to the same object and returns true otherwise. Let's keep our almond string, but this time let's compare it to the number data type first, rather than the string data type. This returned true because both our operands point to different data types, which are stored in different locations in memory. As we stated, this is how the is not operator works, as it is opposite to the is operator. Now let's go ahead and try comparing the almonds data type to the string data type. This returned false because our operands now point to the same location in memory, which, again, is opposite to how the is operator functions. And we're done scripting for this video. If you enjoyed the content discussed in this video, please drop a like and subscribe to show your support and help the YouTube algorithm to better interpret the channel. Stay tuned for more videos and please provide any feedback, good or bad, we don't discriminate, in the comment section down below. Have a nice one.